Back to my next video. This video I'm going to be showcasing my new app that I created and the Arduino that I programmed in order to make a custom LED underglow using Bluetooth on my orange box. So right now I have my colors. I can connect to my Bluetooth device. So right now it's connected, and I can click any one of these color palettes right here. This is like your main color palette. So you have red, you can click red, you got teal, blue, orange, and whatnot. And in order to change those, you can go to edit colors, you can delete any type of color you want, or you can add by using these RGB color sliders. So if we want yellow, all we have to do is just swipe, add new, yellow. Or if we want like a green, we can just click like the top one, for example, and then we have green. We can also add teal by doing that. And now if we refresh our main color palette, we have green, we have orange, yellow, and teal. Now what I really like about this is we also have animations, as you can see down here. So we have fade color, so it fades red to yellow to teal at a certain speed, and we have rainbow and trail and whatnot. So this is a trail that you guys all know about. So we can go to edit animations and we can click edit on these. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different type of animations currently. We can look at the fade color real quick. This is the color palette of the fade color, and we can obviously edit just like previously. This is the speed. 9 is the slowest and 1 is the fastest. So we have that there, and we have the rainbow. Now you can't edit the rainbow RGB values because obviously it's a rainbow and it already has preset values to it. Like for this fade color, for example, we have red and blue, and it's gonna, at the very bottom here, the speed is 1. So it's gonna be really, really fast when I play it. So we can go back and refresh the main color palette. And when I click the bottom one, it's gonna fade red, then blue really, really fast. Just like that. Now, that probably will give people a headache, so I'm not gonna be using that too often. But for example, here's a juggle, or here's a sparkle using preset colors that I defined. So we have red, green, blue, and it goes back to red. Now if we want to change that, all we have to do is click the fade or the edit animations, go to the sparkle one, and here's the colors that are displaying currently. If you want to display like a purple, or I don't know, yellow, and we can add up to 9 so far colors, because I don't think it's really necessary to have more colors than 9. There, we can do those colors. We can do speed of 1, I guess, just so it fades through it really fast. We have to refresh our color palette now. You click sparkle, and there you can go. It's fading a whole bunch of different colors while sparkling. Now I just wanted to showcase how I did this. So previously I used to have a black box right here. Now it's gone. I replaced it with this like Dollar Tree. This used to be a Dollar Tree box, and it had a string of LED lights on it that I just took off and used the box. I had to use a Dremel to cut out some space for this Arduino mini board and this Bluetooth HM10 device. Except this is an off-brand one. I got like a cheap one that was like $1. So that was fine. It works just as well, I think. There's like some features you can't use, but it's not a big deal. I have the turn on and off switch to turn on and off the underglow if I don't want it. I have this little switch which disconnects this Bluetooth module from the Arduino, because when I upload the code, it doesn't upload if this module is connected. So if I turn it off, then the module turns off. Then I can upload the code. And right here I have a little cutout area where I can just easily hook my laptop up to and upload the code to the Arduino. And that's about it. I have my little demo station right over here. Here's the Arduino, and here's a Bluetooth HM10 board. It works for iOS and Android. I think that's why I got the HM10, because I think the HC5 works for the Android only or something like that. That's what I read. But here's where I disconnect the RX and TX pins, because if it's connected just like that, it's not going to work. Otherwise, I have to leave it far away. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and feel free to subscribe. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say for comments. If you guys have any comments, please leave it in the comment section. If you guys have any suggestions, I would love to hear it, and thank you guys for watching.